Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be solving some equations using logs. So we have first question is going to be log 2 x plus 6 minus log 2 x plus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so now how we solve this is, we know subtracting these two, we can just write them as division because that's how it works with logs. It's one of our rules of logs, if you recall from the last video. So x plus 2 is equal to 1. Alright, so now what we do is we'd use our rule that log b to the a is equal to c, which is equal to a equal to b to the power of c. Okay, so how we do this is we have x plus 6 where x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 1. So now we just multiply across, so we'd have x plus 6 is equal to 2 by x plus 2. So x plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 4 minus x is equal to minus 2, and x would be equal to 2. So we're just moving the numbers across, doing some algebra. So we move the x's across, so we get minus x, then we move the 6 across here and we get minus 2, because take away 6 from 4 would be minus 2, and then we just switch the signs by multiplying by minus 1. Okay, so if we recap on that, how we originally got rid of this up here is we knew our rule here. We wanted to equate the same bottoms. We had log to the base 2 is equal to 1, so we just got rid of this and we had x plus 6 x plus 2. So x to the, or 2 to the what power is equal to 1, so that'll be 2. This is equal to 1, and then we just carried on. So you can see here on the left side. Alright, so thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Good luck, guys.